Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Bowie wig from Jon Renau in the color 32BF. So before I do anything else, I want to talk about this 32BF color because of all of their crazy red combinations that have like the darker nape and the highlights on the top and all that stuff. I actually consider 32BF to be the most extreme. I consider it even more extreme than the 32F, and I consider it more extreme than the 27MBF. I consider this 32BF to be just really fashion looking and very, very dramatic. And to show you what I mean, I'm gonna zoom in here. Because look at this base color. That is like a true red base. So it's almost like a cherry, but like a subdued cherry with like some dark auburn. Lots of that sort of, you know, strawberry blonde on top. Just a ton of it. And then when I turn around, check out this nape. That nape is that dark cherry red, that 32 with like the 33 in it, and like it just keeps building and building and building. So it's like the 32s here and the 33s down here, and it's just lots of color, you know. And it's all the same colors that go in the 32F. It's just laid out more dramatically here, because in the 32F the highlights are smaller, you know, they're kind of like blended in together, so it looks really dynamic. But this one, it's like highlights all over the place. So very cool looking color, and I thought it'd be a real neat one to try on the Bowie here. So let's talk about Bowie then. The bang on Bowie, 4 inches, very manageable bang length. You can actually just leave this one down. It's really comfortable down. The crown is 6 inches. The sides are 3. And the nape is 3.75. And I actually really like this nape length because I probably don't know if you noticed when I turn around. But, I mean, it gives you really good coverage, and I struggle sometimes because I'm trying to grow out the hair in the back of my nape area, and sometimes that can be really difficult, you know, to try to hide that hair up underneath the cap when the nape's like only an inch or an inch and a half long. But here, you know, you get a little bit more, so it's nice. It's a nice, comfortable nape length. So, yeah, let me show you what Bowie looks like all the way around, since I just keep teasing you by turning around, kind of. So here we go. This one looks just like the product pictures. Just like it. I'm sure you could probably tell. And I haven't done anything to this wig except maybe run my fingers through it, and that was essentially it. This one only weighs about 2.2 ounces, so it's super comfortable on. Very, very lightweight. Let me go ahead and take Bowie off now so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. Check out what I was saying back here. Here's that 33, dark red, that 32, that cherry red, and then boom, highlights. So many highlights. How many highlights? All the highlights. Just so very dynamic color, especially here in the back. That's bringing all the drama. So anyhow, Bowie is an open capped wig with a spade of permatease right down the center. And then she's also got a lace front, which I'll show you when I put her back on. Open wefted on the sides, open wefted in the back. Look at how close together all those wefts are. You get plenty of hair on the Bowie here. Extended felt nape with these lovely Velcro adjusters. You also get the same fuzzy felt right here on the ear tabs, which is really nice. I'm going to go ahead and shake Bowie out. And slap her back on. This is a really easy one. This is basically the definition of a shake and go. Get her on, run your fingers through her for a second. Bowie. Oh, now I'm gonna have that song from Flight of the Conchords stuck in my head. As opposed to any David Bowie song. Why? I have no idea. I love David Bowie, but whatever. Okay, so as you can see, that was really effortless. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in on this lace front here. I've got a little pushed forward so you can see it really well. Tiny little knots, and it's contoured. It is a smart lace front, so it starts off a little thinner towards the front and it gradually gets thicker as you get towards that permatease top. So there you go. This has been my review of the Bowie wig from the Jon Renau collection. This is a smart lace open cap wig, as I mentioned before, in the really dramatic red 32BF. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com. Hopefully you like what I do here. If you do, check out my wig store. It's just www.cysterwigs.com, also known as CysterWigs. And until next time, have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.